Yeah, take it off. Let me take control. You've been wanting what you need, and I'ma give it to you. Before I dive inside for the whistle, I start swimming, ain't no drowning, no. Girl, don't make you better. We gon' mess up, them coming soon. Better stay up, I'm coming through to lay you down.
Okay, guys, so right now I'm making up my own little challenge. And I'm going to be doing my makeup using only my fingers and kitchen utensils like this. Okay? So first, I'm going to get started. I don't know if using a pencil is cheating for my brows. But let's see. Maybe I'll just use I'll just use a gel. And I'll do it with my fingers and a knife. A fork. I'll do it with a finger and a fork. Let's see how this goes. That's not gonna work. Alright. I'll do it with a finger and a knife. Do. That's not so bad. That's not so bad. I'm also using this brow gel too from Beauty Supply, so that is awesome. Okay, so now I probably need a napkin. Don't got one. Let's see. I'll just wipe this on here. That's nasty. Alright. Now, I still don't know if this is cheating by using the little brush on here, but I'm using this LA Girl Pro Concealer. Let's see. To highlight these things. Not so bad, not so bad. Let's see. Oh, popping.
Get the button shit, yo.
Shut up! I'm making a video. Yeah. Tell you too. Alright. Alright. Now, that's there. Let's see, that's done there. Now I'm gonna blend that out. Oh, Lord. Oh. Okay. Not so bad. My bad. Okay, now we're done with that. I'm going to, let's see. Oh, I got to highlight my face. Is this a, babe? I think one of my pubes got in my makeup.
It's fucking nasty.
It's yours? This is not mine.
It's not
That's seriously yours.
It's not pube.
Yes, it is. You're the only person in the house that got little curly hairs like that.
How did it get in your makeup?
It's on my makeup brush, and my makeup brush wasn't covered up with the damn ooh, it was not covered up with this damn cap. It was on the bed, and that's where your nastiness is. Okay, this is looking great already. Let's see. Now just blend this sucker in. Let's highlight, beat that face. Woo! Yeah, that's looking real nice. Boom. Okay. Now we're gonna just highlight. I'm gonna put some more on. Can't spare any. Okay, smudge that in. Okay. Am I supposed to be trying to do this great or let's see. Okay. Ooh, Lord. I'm enjoying this. Okay. Let's see. Now I gotta try to put some powder on my face. This spoon. Okay. Let's see. I'm gonna scrape this. I guess this is my utensil. I'm gonna lick it so I can make this. No, that's not gonna work. blend this stuff in. This is dumb. Alright. I think we got something going. Now, I'm going to use this Fit Me Loose powder to be under my eyes. Oh, yeah. Ooh, I look beautiful. I'm just bake. Oh, bake, bake, bake. That's nice. Gorgeous. Oh, bake. Oh, that feels nice and caked on. That's gross. Okay, now I'm gonna. I don't know what I'm doing there. No creases. Oh, cokehead. Okay. All right. Now I'm down coking it up. Okay. Now what I like to do is I like to move on to my contour. I'm ruining my makeup. Okay. I like to move on to my contour. I'm going to just put this mirror right here. Put this mirror right here. Okay. Beautiful. Alright. Now, I'm going to use this to contour. Alright. Okay. Is that working? Can you see it? Can you see it? Lord. Oh. Maybe I should use this spoon and scrape that up a little bit. Can you see that? I bet you can, because I know. Oh. Oh, yeah. Oh, yes. Blend that out, baby. Alright. Now, I'm going to this side. Oh. Yes. Yes. Yeah, get in there. Okay. Ooh, that is cut, girl. That is cut. Alright. Now I'm going to contour that nose. Oh, yes, honey. Yes, honey. Just slim her down. Slim her down. Oh, I'm going to put some of that lip. Cover girl ready. Alright, now I'm going to, let's see. Should I use, oh, I'm not using my MAC highlight for this. I'm going to use this highlighter. It's the Gold Skin Girls. Just gonna highlight. Ooh. Glow into the gods. Ooh. Oh, yes. That is beat, honey. Beat. Ooh. Yes, Lord. No one can glow like me. Oh, yes. Look at that highlight. Yes, honey. Yes. Okay. Oh. Oh, yes. Okay. Get this. Get under the brow. Never forget your brow. Oh. Oh. Gosh. I'm ready. Gotta get my forehead. Never forget your forehead. That's got a big one there. Okay. I'm ready. I'm ready. Now we're gonna throw this away. Now it is time for my blush. Should I use the darker color? I think we should. Might as well go in. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, this is hard. Recommending this. Oh yeah, that's nicest blush. You love it. Oh, but look at that color payoff. Maybelline, New York. Oh yeah, let me show you. That's popping right there. Look at that color payoff. Whew, girl, I'm blushing. I'm a blushing bride. Oh, Lord! I'm ready to go on now. Let's see. I need to get a transition shade now. Let's see. I'm gonna use this middle color. I'm gonna transition from bad to worse. Oh, yes, honey. Yes. Oh, yes, we need more. Why not more? Oh, this is beautiful. Alright, now I'm going to use me a burgundy color because we're going all in today. Oh wait, I forgot to use my spoon, or my fork, or my knife, whichever I want to kill myself with today. Let's see. Alright. Oh, that's beautiful. Blend that red out. Oh, great. Oh, look at that cut right there. Look at that cut. Okay, we're going to go in a darker color. Ooh, here we go. Edge that out right there. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Beautiful, honey, beautiful. Had to free up some space. Okay, so now we did that, I'm gonna add a little lid color. Alright. Ooh, girl, glow. Glow, honey. Glow, honey. Honey. Okay, now I'm about to go to this other side. I'm about to use the same cutting technique. I'm going to use a little red. Red in the crease. Okay. And then, don't leave it down. Alright, now we got that crease. Now, we need that lid color again, boo-boo. Okay. Oh, that's nice. Now, I don't know how to use liquid liner with my finger, but we're going to try this. Alright, I guess I'm just going to color it on there. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's better than I be doing my liner most of the time anyway. Okay. Just going to bring that straight on across. That's actually not that bad. Alright. Oh, yes. Alright. We're going to do it again to the other side. Oh. Matching. Okay. I'm going to bring this straight on across. Whew, I'm doing a great job, guys. I'm feeling this look, guys. Alright, now I don't know how to put mascara on. What is this? I don't know how to put mascara on, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on here and oop, oop. I'm not gonna add no lashes to the lip because I'm not gonna mess up my lashes. Okay. Ooh. Don't be jealous. Okay. Oh yes. Yes. Honey. Okay. Now, as for my chapstick, I'm just gonna put on chapstick because it'd just be easy to put on chapstick. But you know what? We could. Blooper. Okay. But you know we could. It's a waste of chapstick. We could add some color with my finger. There you go. Beautiful. Go girl. Yes. This is another tip for you guys. You guys don't have no lip color? Take some eyeshadow and some Carmex. It's even more moisturizing than a lipstick. See? I just taught y'all something. I just taught y'all something. And that's actually real pretty, so I'm actually have to take up my own tip. I love that lip. I love that lip. I love nothing else. But, you know, this is what it looks like. This is using all fingers. This is using all fingers, all kitchen utensils, and this is what I got for you guys. Like the look. Now, comment in the section what you think about this look. And, you know, don't mean, because, you know, it's all fun and games. Okay, thank you for coming back to my channel.